Alright, the purpose of this video is to explain something about how I store the schedule in my code. Now, here we have a schedule of time to open and shut the window. 5 a.m., 9:37 a.m., etc. You know, at 5 o'clock it opens, at 9:37 it closes, at 1:15 it opens again, 4:30 p.m. closes again. Okay? So, I store that info as two Python lists. One list of booleans, one list of integers. This list of booleans, it represents the open and shut commands. Now by convention, in my code, 0 for open, 1 for shut. I remember it O for open. And in my, for the schedule, I store that as minutes past midnight. So 5 a.m. is 300 minutes past midnight, and then etc, etc, etc. Now you'll notice that they correspond to the commands. For example, at 5 o'clock it's an open command, so 0 right here, you know, false for open, 300 representing 5 o'clock a.m. and ditto with all of these. So the only reason you need to know that is it might help you write the XML file or enlighten you as to how to write your app. I just felt like you should know that information. Thank you. Thanks for watching.